Hello everybody. Hopefully this baby bird survived. It looked like it came from some trees and it went down. We're gonna try to feed her a little bit of milky. Come here, little baby bird. Baby bird is hungry. I hope this little baby bird survived. I don't know where is her mommy bird. Sorry, little baby bird. Hope you survive, baby bird. You're sleepy. Think baby bird just wanna rest and sleep. Okay, little baby bird. I'm gonna let you rest, little baby bird. I don't know where is your mommy bird. Oh, look at this little baby bird. She's look like she was probably a newborn. This is milk. It's good for you, you little baby bird. I don't know how old is this baby bird, but hopefully we can help this baby bird, super baby. Baby bird. I'm just making sure you're okay, little baby bird. I'm gonna survive you. Oh, baby bird. Gonna put little blanket on you, on a towel. Okay, baby bird, I let you rest. Look like you're getting better. Just keep going.